display of CES 2014 Parrot MiniDrone Jumping Sumo. High-tech flying drone camera. This fast, rugged and lightly addition to the Parrot MiniDrones collection performs acrobatics as never seen before. Through this simple, easy-to-use device, Parrot has reinvented the experience of playing with robots. An acrobatic fearless adventurer. Jumping Sumo generates its own Wi-Fi AC connection, allowing for an automatic connection to your smartphone or tablet. As soon as you enter the free FreeFlight application, available for iOS and Android. Thanks to its advanced jumping system, Jumping Sumo can vertically and horizontally jump up to 80 cm/2.5 feet. It rolls it up to 2n/s. And turns 90 degrees and 180 degrees in the blink of an eye. Small, yet robust with a great personality. Jumping Sumo offers two different experiences with its adjustable wheels. Depending on your level of experience, you can opt for stability, wheels extended, or speed, wheels retracted. Thanks to its sturdy shock-proof design. You can jump, roll, spin and explore without stopping. What is even more amazing is that Jumping Sumo always lands on its wheels. Equipped with a gyroscope and high-speed processor, the pilot can make the most of Jumping Sumo's foolproof agility and super-intuitive driving control. Jumping Sumo reveals its mischievous personality through the flashing LED lights. You can personalize your robot with a range of stickers, depending on your mood. Program your own animations and choreograph different moves and tricks to impress your spectators. A removable lithium polymer battery provides up to 20 minutes of fun. The battery is also compatible with MiniDrone Rolling Spider. Jumping Sumo has the ability to vertically and horizontally jump up to 80 cm/2.5 feet. Crawl at the springs to anticipate your jumps or use one of the three modes. Jumper, kicker and auto balance. Jumping Sumo always lands on its wheels. Move forwards, backwards and adjust your speed to adapt to the situation. Jumping Sumo rolls up to 2n/s and avoids any obstacles that get in the way by turning 90 degrees and 180 degrees with the swipe of a finger. With a 640x480 pixel wide-angle camera, you see through the eyes of your Jumping Sumo. The FreeFlight application for iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. A road plan enables you to program a sequence of actions. The itinerary is available on the FreeFlight application and appears amongst the pre-programmed movements. Customize your Jumping Sumo's removable faceplate with a choice of 3 different stickers. The LED lights and sounds bring Jumping Sumo to life. To purchase Parrot MiniDrone Jumping Sumo, please visit the link in the video description below. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.